Tongue rings, once upon a time. I have a tongue ring. I'm making
He actually built a treadle lathe as well.
I'm making a spoon bit for a early type brace. One of the guys over with the reenactors is a woodworker, and he has this very early style lathe that he made up with a branch and other things he was able to cobble together, and he was interested in a spoon bit. Oh, this is for a drill. It's like instead of hold on. Instead of having it in a brace like this, it's kind of going to go like that. So you're twirling it, you're going like that. It's a spoon auger.
There you go.
And then this is a style of forge. The way it's on the ground, it's a style that has its origins since the time of Fred Flintstone and Barney Rubble, and up into the Viking Age. And then you have that other forge that came later, so this is a very early style forge. And the bellows would date to the time of Constantine, when he took up the Vatican in the Catholic Church.
Practice on the
Irish kind of a coffin shape.
Absolutely. Irish people who come to the United States.
They have to be pumped alternately to keep the air going as steady as possible. It's hard to do this way. Connor's been doing well so far. Quite well. I'm just heating it up like that. And I'll also add that this style of forge is commonly used in Africa and Cambodia, except they would use a bicycle wheel attached to a centrifugal blower and spin it around with a pedal. Or sometimes they use garbage bags or cement bags for bellows.
That's why I like it. Yeah, I don't know any good Scottish jokes though.
Go ahead. Tongue rings, once upon a time. I